If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hey Photos photographers, today on a topic of the trampoline I introduced yesterday, I want to give you a few tips and hints to be able to get the sky as a background or the tops of trees. You're going to need to have a fairly wide angle lens. You're going to be up closer to the trampoline and shooting from whatever support rails it has on the sides up toward your subject, getting as quote unquote high view from underneath as you can. However, it will be important to make sure that you're not too far under your subject to appear like your subject is going to come down and land on your lens. That your wide angle lens isn't too wide angle and making your subject appear further away than they are. But the biggest tip out of all the shots that I've taken with subjects rising in the air or coming back down, the appearance is always best if you shoot the image of your subject as they rise. Their hair isn't going to be rising as if they're falling. Their clothes won't be rising, being caught by the breeze. The appearance overall from every part of the shoot, as whatever the effect is, the look of the person just floating through the air or flying is always best as they're rising in the air. And there's less to worry about, less to change, less to try and stage. Just rise on their ascent as they rise up. And the benefits you'll have are the excitement of I'm rising up, and then if the subject you're imaging is not used to jumping on a trampoline, then you won't have that, oh, I just felt weightless, and then you'll, oh no, I'm dropping, what do I do now? So the faces and the emotions otherwise are going to be less to deal with, but it's overall I found it to be a very intriguing shoot and very unique method of being able to take portraits. If you haven't yet subscribed, please click that subscribe button. Leave us a comment down below what you've learned or what the video has brought to your mind for a thought of being able to shoot a subject in this kind of environment with this kind of tool or asset. And give us a thumbs up so that other people can see the video and have similar ideas and inspiration. Thank you so much. God bless.